The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 16. Welcome to the deck of the Swamp Duck. Sometimes things just don't go according to plan, especially with boating. You always have to account for the weather. The weather will always impact on what you wanted to do, but there's always plenty of other things to be getting on with in the meantime. My next video is case in point, but I finally managed to take the Swamp Duck out for the first overnight cruise of the year. Join me at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning for the premiere of my next video, which is entitled My First Cruise of the Year, but Not According to Plan.